What I want to show next is how to set up multiple templates for a particular content type. So what I mean by that is if I go to any of my items, let's say I go to posts.php or pages. Actually, let's go to pages. So if I had clicked into any of these pages, let's say we go to the About Us company history page. This page is probably, I'll try to locate the template that this page is using. Let's go over here. Okay, so this in the parent theme, page.php is the template that this page is using, right? But let's say for a particular page, I want to be able to choose different templates, and that's something you can actually do, right? And to do that, what you do is, so this is my working directory. I'm going to drag this page.template from the parent, and I'm going to edit this. So if I go to here, go to my folder again. Actually, I don't want to edit this and upload it into my child theme, because if I did that, it means I'm overriding the parent theme, the parent theme's version of this. But what I want to do instead is I want to create an additional option. So what I do is if I go to my child theme, just have this ready. Right, I have my page.php here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this file. Right, and I'll just say red, right, because I'm going to make something red on this page. Right, then I'm going to edit this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these comments here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a template name, red template, whatever you want to call it. Template post type, I believe that's what it should be called. Yeah, template post type. And I want this template to be usable by the post, page, novels, and movie. Right, so I want this template to be accessible, or let's say not novel. I only want this template accessible by the custom post types of post, page, and movie. All right, and I'm gonna hit change the style of this to background red. And I believe that should be it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my manager here. I'm going to upload this new template into my child theme. And if everything is working properly, if I go to my CMS, and I click into any of these pages, let's click on company because that's what I have opened on the other tab. Over here on the right, you now have an option, a drop-down. Either you use the default page template from the parent theme or this new red template that I've created. I'll use the red template. Hit update. Now if I hit refresh, something should turn red. Yes, there we go. So that is one way of creating more templates. Now I could create another one too, right? I can just make a copy of this one, and I'll call it blue with stuff, right? Doesn't really have to. Okay, so I'll make this blue. And what I'm also going to do in here is maybe I will do something interesting. I'm going to put a PHP tag in here, and I'm going to print out a new WordPress query. So I'm going to get some content. Let's say, I'm trying to remember what the syntax for this is. Give me a moment. Okay, so what I've done here is I also want to get some 5 movies from the database and print it out here. I'm going to actually also do something like this to make it a little bit easier to read. Okay, those are pre-formatted tags. All right, so this blue template is going to make the background blue, but also print some movies. Let's upload this new template. Oops, I have to do it from here. And if I go back to this page, right now it's still using the red template. If I hit refresh on this, I should have a new option. Oh, there's 2 red templates. It's because I forgot to give it a unique name. I was going to call I should call this blue template. Do blue template with stuff or movies. It doesn't matter. Okay. And let's go ahead and re-upload this. Go back to my CMS, hit refresh, and I should have a new option on the right. Oops. Blue template with movie or stuff or movies. Hit update. Now if I refresh here, there you have it. So you see that there's blue. There's actually something going on in this background here which you're not able to see too clearly. But if I open up the debugger window and I remove some of these, actually you should be able to see it in here, right here. You'll see that I've printed out a whole bunch of movie objects because of this tag here. So you can see the power of creating new templates, and within new templates you can put in custom PHP or HTML code to give different behaviors. Okay, and let's see if there's anything else. Right, one thing I wanted to show is we only made these two templates available for movies, pages, and posts. You'll notice that if I go into novels, and let's say I click on one of these novel types, I won't have access to the new templates that I've created. See, there's no option for that here. But under posts, I will have the option to choose different templates. And likewise for movies, I will have the option. So let's go here. So you can see we have these template options for posts, and we have it for movies because this declaration here says that this template is only available for those custom post types.